In this video, I'll talk about how to change your website title and tagline. So let's get started. Well, first look at our website. The title is a default one, that is website work, which we had set at the beginning. And as you can see over here, the tagline is just another WordPress site. So definitely we are gonna go ahead and change all this. See, tagline is also important because it is something which tells user what your website is all about. So the first step that we are going to take towards creating our website is to set up our website title and also the tagline. Okay, so let's get back to the backend of our website. Now, in order to change the title and the tagline of your website, you are supposed to go to the settings tab on your dashboard. Then click on general. Now, as you can see here, there is an option of changing your site title and also the tagline. See, the title has to be something like your project name, or it can be the name of your organization, or if you are making your website for personal brand, it can be your name also. It has to be something very specific. See, my site title is gonna be Divyanshu Decodes, since that is my channel's name, and using that name, I'm gonna go ahead with this project. Again, the tagline is something which tells what your website is all about. So it has to be something like, okay, so this looks cool. Here to help you enhance your skills, this is gonna be my tagline. So I'm gonna scroll down and click on Save Changes. Okay, so now the changes that we made here has been saved. So we can get back to the front end of our website and see how it is all about. So look, this front end part of our website that is in front of you is when we didn't change our site title and the tagline. So refresh the page and you will find out the change. Okay, so as you can see here, Divyanshu Decodes is the title and here to help you enhance your skills is the tagline. Well, if you think the video was valuable enough, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video where I'll create a home page and design it beautifully. Till then, take care of yourself, be happy, be positive.